Hello children, today we are going to learn about division. Division is when we split up or divide a whole group into smaller equal groups. Or we can say division is sharing equally between groups. For example, there are 12 chocolates and 3 friends want to share them. How do they divide the chocolates? So, there are 12 chocolates and 12 chocolates divided by 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So, they get 4 each. Let's take one more example. There are 16 balls and 4 boxes. How to put 16 balls into 4 equal sized boxes? So, there are 16 balls and 4 boxes. 16 divided by 4 is 4. Therefore, 4 balls should be kept in each box. Now, let's learn about symbols. Some symbols for division can be slash, a line, or the division sign. The division sign is a symbol consisting of a short horizontal line with a dot above and another dot below. Is often used to indicate mathematical division. There is one more method to understand division, that is division by repeated subtraction. Now, what is repeated subtraction? Repeated subtraction is a method of subtracting the equal number of items from a larger group. It is also known as division. If the same number is repeatedly subtracted from another larger number until the remainder is 0 or a number smaller than the number being subtracted, we can write that in the form of division. For example, if there are 25 balls and we form a group of 5 balls each, here the number 5 has been repeatedly subtracted 5 times. We can say that 5 has been subtracted 5 times from 25. So we can write the subtraction as 25 divided by 5 is equal to 5. Similarly, to solve a division problem through repeated subtraction, we repetitively group and subtract the same number again to find the answer. For example, 8 divided by 2. We subtract 2 4 times till we get to 0. This shows that 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. Another example, 20 divided by 4. We subtract 4 5 times till we get to 0. This shows that 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. Parts of division. Each part of a division equation has a name: dividend, quotient, divisor, remainder. Now, what is dividend? The dividend is the number you are dividing up. Quotient. The quotient is the answer or the result of a division. Divisor. The divisor is the number you are dividing by. Remainder. The part left over and smaller than divisor is called remainder. Division is the opposite of multiplication. Another way to think of division is as the opposite of multiplication. For example, 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. You can do the reverse, replacing the equal to with a multiplication sign cross and the division sign with an equal sign. For example, 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5, or we can write down 5 multiplied by 4 is equal to 20. One more example, 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. We can do the reverse also in this equation. 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3, or we can write 3 into 4 is equal to 12. One more example, 21 divided by 3 is equal to 7, or we can write down 7 multiplied by 3 is equal to 21. Using multiplication is a great way to check your division work. Thank you.